In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Calling. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the basics of making calls right from your CRM. So, let's get started. First things first, what we want to do is log into your HubSpot account. It's important to ensure that you're accessing the account associated with the contacts or leads you intend to reach out to. If you're managing multiple teams or accounts, double-check that you're in the right one to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the contact record you're interested in. If you have many contacts, using the search bar can help you find their records quickly. Once you're in the CRM, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it, as it will make the calling feature easier to access. It's good to note that HubSpot CRM is a powerful tool with many features packed in a clean, user-friendly interface designed to help you stay organized and productive. Once you have the contact record open, you'll need to locate the call icon. This is usually represented by a small phone icon found in the left sidebar. The sidebar is your go-to area for accessing contact options quickly. HubSpot made this design choice to streamline your calling process, allowing you to jump into a call without navigating away from crucial contact information. If you can't immediately spot the icon, hover over the sidebar options. It's there to assist in your outreach efforts seamlessly. After you've located the call icon, go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a drop-down or a new prompt where you can select the phone number you wish to call. In cases where your contact has multiple numbers listed, you can choose the most appropriate one based on your objectives. By doing so, you're ensuring that the client or prospect reaches the right person at the right time, maximizing the call's effectiveness. Be sure to confirm that your computer's microphone and speakers are working well, or have a headset connected to ensure clarity during your conversation. Now, before you proceed with making your call, it's helpful to revisit any relevant notes or previous interactions in the contact's timeline. Take advantage of HubSpot's built-in features to remind yourself of key points or follow-ups. This preparation step helps in personalizing your conversation, making it more engaging and productive. With these steps, you're all set to make calls using HubSpot's efficient CRM tool. Remember, the more you use it, the more familiar it becomes, aiding you in building stronger connections and managing your clients effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy calling.